Making money online has become a popular trend in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. With the rise of the internet, there are now countless opportunities to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent or someone looking to make extra income on the side, there are plenty of options available for beginners. Here are some tips and ideas for making money online as a beginner. 1. Start a blog or website. One of the easiest ways to make money online is to start a blog or website. You can create a blog on any topic that you are passionate about and start earning money through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or ads. However, it takes time and effort to build a following, so be patient and consistent with your content. 2. Take online surveys. Another way to earn money online is by taking online surveys. There are many websites that pay you to take surveys on a variety of topics. While it may not be the most lucrative option, it's an easy and low-effort way to make some extra cash. 3. Become a freelancer. If you have a particular skill, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can become a freelancer and offer your services online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients who are looking for their services. It's a great way to make money doing something you enjoy. 4. Sell products online. You can also make money online by selling products through websites like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products like e-books or courses, there's a market for almost anything online. 5. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. There are many affiliate programs available, from Amazon Associates to ClickBank, and it's a great way to earn passive income. 6. Teach online. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as language, music, or fitness, you can teach online through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. You can create and sell your own courses or become an instructor for an existing course. 7. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing strategy in which an affiliate promotes a company's product or service and earns a commission for each successful sale made through their unique affiliate link. It's a low-risk way to make money online, as you don't have to create or own any products, and you can promote products that align with your interests and niche. 8. Sell digital products. Digital products, such as e-books, templates, printables, or software, are a great way to earn money online. They have low overhead costs, are easily scalable, and have high profit margins. You can sell them through your own website, online marketplaces, or third-party platforms. 9. Offer virtual services. With the rise of remote work and online communication tools, there's a high demand for virtual services, such as virtual assistants, social media management, content creation, or online tutoring. You can offer your services through freelancing platforms, online marketplaces, or your own website. 10. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, have gained popularity as an alternative form of investment. While it's a risky investment option, as the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly, it has the potential for high returns. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies through online exchanges, such as Coinbase or Binance. In summary, there are many ways to make money online as a beginner, ranging from starting a blog or website to investing in cryptocurrencies. It's important to find a method that aligns with your interests, skills, and goals, and to be willing to put in the effort and patience required to build a successful online income stream.